Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I'm back with a surprise today, and that is Dalgona Truffles. Yes, you're right, it's truffles with a touch of Dalgona foam in it. As you all must be aware of this trending drink all over the social media these days called Dalgona coffee, I thought why not give a try and make something new out of this. It was my experiment actually, but trust me, the result was amazing. So I thought, why not share the simple recipe with you all? Hope you all will love it. So let me show you the ingredients for this recipe. I've taken around 15 pieces of Marie biscuits, half packet, 2 teaspoon of room temperature butter, 4 tablespoon of condensed milk, 100 grams of white chocolate bar. I've taken Lindt, you can take any one. This is for the Dalgona mixture. 2 tablespoon of coffee powder instant, 2 tablespoon of water and 2 tablespoon of sugar. Some asked me about the coffee powder, and this is the coffee powder I used, Davidoff Fine. And here in a mixer jar I've taken the Marie biscuits and grinded it to a fine powder. Now I'm taking the ingredients to make the Dalgona foam. So here I've taken all 3 ingredients and started whipping it in the electric beater for about 6 minutes, good 6 minutes. And then finally the foam was ready. See, it's so creamy. Here I've taken the the Marie biscuit powdered in a bowl and added the 4 tablespoon of condensed milk and 1 teaspoon of butter. This actually butter can be added first, but then I forgot it and I added the condensed milk first, so no matter, you just have to mix it well. And then here 1 teaspoonful of the Dalgona foam, the mixture what we made. Finally I had to mix it by hand, and then I applied some butter on my palm and started making the balls. Here I used the fruit scooper to get that even sized balls, and here around 10 pieces of small truffles and one very small one I could make with the 15 biscuits. So here I'm almost finishing making the truffles. See, the truffles are ready. And then next step was to melt the chocolate. Here this is a bit tricky stuff, so that's why I have not used the double boiler or the microwave, so that for the beginners this is the easiest way. In a wide pan where you can see the level of water, I've just kept the saucepan with the chocolate pieces. The smaller the better, the pieces, they melt very quickly. And then when the water is barely simmering, just give a continuous mix. This doesn't take more than seconds. I've added half teaspoon of butter so that it gives that glossy look to the melted chocolate. And here you can see I'm melting it, stirring continuously. And when you can see there are still a few chunks of chocolate left, I took it off the flame, and then here the melted chocolate is ready. You can see I'm just transferring it to a bowl. By the time my chocolate was already started getting cold, so it was a bit thicker. No issues. You can just see here what I've done is added the 1 teaspoon of you don't need to add 1 teaspoon. I love the chocolate flavor. I have added 1 teaspoon. You can even add around 3/4 teaspoon of the Dalgona foam and mix it well. See, I'm giving it a good stir so that it gets mixed well. Once it's well combined, now start dipping the truffles into the white chocolate. See, using the fork, I've just rolled it well, dipped the truffles, and then coated with white chocolate one by one. And then here the truffles were ready, dipped in the chocolate. I've just sprinkled some silver balls. That is totally optional, it's your choice. And for that extra coffee flavor, I just sprinkled some coffee powder on top. And this is how the simple Marie biscuit truffle turned to be the Dalgona truffle. Not just the Dalgona, the super yummy, delicious and quick Dalgona truffle. Do give this a try at home and let me know in the comments below if you liked it or not. And also share the recipe with your friends. And let me quickly give you some extra points. While melting the chocolate, make sure the chocolate never comes in contact with any kind of moisture, may it be spoon or the saucepan, anything, because it can cause the chocolate to seize up. And also make sure the chocolate is always warm, never hot. We still fight with this virus COVID-19. Continue staying home and stay safe. Take care, guys. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you all have subscribed my channel. If not, please do. Bye bye.